you how to measure on Google Maps. So just watch and follow this video till the end. Open Google Maps like this, and it will open on the map directly, as you can see here. So for example, I wanna measure like land here. For example, I have a land here. So I will just zoom, and I want right now to measure this and calculate the distance. What I have to do, I will just click like for 1 second and click here on measure distance, and I will be careful and add a point here. Click add a point, and then I will go right here, click add a point, and here add a point, and here I will add the final point. And that's all, guys. So I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.